Good morning, friends. This morning, I would like to share with you a thought that I meditated upon recently on how we need to stand with each other as a family. We see from the story of Moses and Miriam that Moses was born in a crucial time when the Hebrew babies were killed. Moses' mother laid the baby in the basket and left the basket on the river. Miriam stood at a distance, having her eyes on the basket. The moment the Pharaoh's daughter picked the baby out of the river, we see Miriam standing by the side of baby Moses. And she asked the Pharaoh's daughter if she could bring a Hebrew woman to nurse the baby. We see Miriam making use of the opportunity no matter what the situation was like. It is not mentioned in the Bible if the Pharaoh's daughter doubted Miriam or if Miriam was afraid to face the situation. But we see Miriam making use of the opportunity. And this paved the way for Moses to be raised in a safe surrounding in Egypt. And he rose into greatness. In the later part of the story, we see when Moses, Aaron, and Miriam were there in the wilderness, we see Moses marrying a Cushite woman. And at that situation, we see attention. Miriam questioned Moses. Has the Lord not spoken? Has the Lord spoken only through Moses? Hasn't he also spoken through us? When she asked this question, we don't know what her intention was, but God knew her intention. And we see Moses did not respond to this question, or he did not react to this situation. But we see God stepping down. He came down in a pillar of cloud. We see in Numbers chapter 12 verses 6 to 8, the Lord said, "Listen to my words. When a prophet of the Lord is among you, I reveal myself to him in visions. I speak to him in dreams. But this is not true of my servant Moses. He is faithful in all my house. With him I speak face to face, clearly and not in riddles. He sees the form of the Lord. Why then were you not afraid to speak against my servant Moses?" And we see the moment the Lord left the place, Miriam was punished with leprosy. But was Moses happy, or did he say, when the Lord is for us, who can be against us? No. We see Moses immediately interceding for Miriam. He is pleading with the Lord, "Lord, please heal Miriam." And he also stood at that difficult or the tough situation, interceding with the Lord for his sister. Though the sister spoke against him, though it is he who was supposed to have felt hurt, but he was interceding with the Lord for Miriam. And we see the Lord did heal Miriam after 7 days. See, this is how the family members stood for each other in the Bible. At the early time, during Moses' childhood, we see Miriam stood for Moses, though Miriam was also very young. She stood for Moses, though the situation was very bad and people would be punished by the Pharaoh. Still, Miriam was able to take risk to protect her baby brother. And the same we see when they grow up. Moses standing by the side of Miriam, pleading with the Lord, interceding for her so that she would be healed. This is how we need to stand for each other, no matter what the situation is, no matter how the situation is, no matter if we are hurt by our own family members. We need to stand with each other so that the Lord will mend things, the Lord would heal, the Lord would redeem, protect, save, and provide. Are we standing by?